As a supervisor or cell leader, it's helpful for me to be able to see in real time what's happening in the factory and progress of jobs. So here I have a summarized view of my special cell. You can see 50% of the machines are running, and if I click on the segment of the pie, I can see which machines that applies to. But maybe more importantly, to look at the reason why machines aren't running, so we can see the Okuma is currently waiting. I may prefer to look at that graphically with a graphical layout of the shop floor. We can see my Haas machine here is stopped with an alarm condition. These other three machines are running. Or I can look at that as in a tabular view rather than a graphical view. I can look at the performance of machines to date in the current shift, and if I hover my mouse I'll get more detailed information. And it may be that I wish to have a look historically to see what's happened on the previous shift, for example the night shift, or maybe over the weekend if I come in on a Monday morning. So here I can see changes in status of the machine with respect to time, also when users have logged on and off, and also where we've changed the job, the works order operation that we're actually working on. And finally, by selecting an individual machine, I can see the queue as seen by the operator on the shop floor. So my Citizen machine here is currently running a job, but it's overdue. It should already have finished, and the next job should by now have started. So you can see that we're already building up a backlog on this machine. I can use the system to look at the performance of my resources over time and try to identify the losses so that they can be reduced or eliminated. The system is highly configurable, allowing me different views of the data. So here we're looking at a report for the current year. I'm looking at the pie chart. We can see that I've achieved nearly 50% running time, but I can see the amount of time lost to setting. If I click on the waiting segment of the pie, then I get the breakdown of the various statuses within that waiting category. I have different types of graph that I can use, and all of the data that you're seeing on the screen is controlled by the toolbar at the top. So another example would be to look at a maintenance report and see how my maintenance downtime varies over time.